So today I went for a free hearing test at a private medical centre, and I was telling them that I have to keep turning my head when I speak to someone because I can't hear what someone's saying. And in a restaurant, I can't. I'm doing this, or anyway, they said that they had this technology that could stop, can isolate the noise, and it was £3,500. And I said, I think I'm going to stick with doing this because it's it's not that expensive just doing this. Or you know, I know, and I'll come back to you if my neck gets sore. That was the only thing I could think of, really.